Listen to me. You are first an agent. You don't take nothing at all for granted. Oh, you know, say, I know him take the picture and send to Patsy. Cause if you say him a stalker, oh, you know, say him not know about you.
Bossy, a whole heap of scenario run through my brain. And that's one of them. You might know about me.
But Patsy wouldn't so stupid for tell him the kind of work where you do.
Like you say, we don't know if she have feelings for him same way. We have to put everybody in a mix. Can't put no past none of them.
And no sound at all from Shepherd. No kind of warning, nothing.
Him tell me, say, she say, if you stay out her personal life, if you just intervene when it's life and death. So, I guess, him not see nothing where intervene with life and death.
Why they sound like Patsy have something to hide? And she only see what you do. Well, if she say him not for intervene in her personal life, can't do nothing about that. But you make sure you take the necessary precautions.
Now pretty different now. I tell you that. Different.
Yes, Wayne. It just come in. Yeah, man. And you know as usual. But what you drink? Alright, cool.
In for it?
Yep. And it's a lot. Graduated the top of him class. Known as a computer genius. And his father was well known.
Nice same area.
His father was the head of a software company called Techniques. It dealt with products and services including areas like software, hardware, telecommunications, and internet-based services.
So him inherit the legacy.
Yep. And Dad made sure he got proper schooling. Not out here though.
Where?
Is Miami. And him and him father did really close. Right up until the time of his passing.
So, the company is still active?
Based on what I am seeing here, is that the company is not operational. Because after his father passed, he went into a mental institution.
So he's a madman?
Better than that. It is the same mental institution that Marcus Wallace was.
That means, say, him father did have a piece of food then, man. Cause that place is not cheap.
It's a tech company the man did run, you know, and a little bit of money for the software development. What concern me, based on when me I see right here, so, is how far, what level the son did reach.
So him did complete him course, or him did drop out after him father passed.
Him did complete him course. And this look like him did just in line for take over the company.
See anything about him old lady?
Based on what I see so far, I don't see nothing come up with her, you know. How it look is like he was a daddy's boy. Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah. Mother passed when he was 10.
I wonder if him do any work for any company up there.
That is for a deeper search. What we need to focus on is finding somebody at the institution where we can talk to so we can get more information about him.
So you know link Marcus.
Because, my dear agent, we don't know what kind of connection happened between a politician and this person. I don't want to alert Marcus Wallace say we onto a case with this guy.
Whoever is fully.
So Patsy not tell you which party must stay. Like when they're Jamaica.
Honestly, never want to be too presumptuous. So I never ask her. That's why I come to you. We can figure it out.
Well, he's a person of interest to us. And if he must stalk Patsy and him in this whole software development thing, that makes him a prime suspect. When you say your system start with this whole glitching thing?
You know, say about a week ago. Cause me normally dey home and me hear the camera go off. But me look, me not see nobody. So me start think say a bird a pass and everything there, but me not even see bird a fly. So when Tony come over there the other day, she check and realize say it on a loop. So I don't know how long.
Anybody who put the loop there on the camera is somebody who really just want to pass freely undetected. It's a professional we are deal with. But we still can't narrow it down and say him.
You think the system where German them put in can prevent all of this from happening again?